Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I also welcome you all for the IPR session on behalf of Rajiv Gandhi, National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. As nowadays, very important to protect our intellectuals. So let us see in detail what are different kind of intellectual property and how to protect that. Are you able to see my screen? Anyone, please?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. First of all, I introduce where my offices are. Our office at Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. We are having training center only one in India, that is in Nagpur. We are having trademark offices in addition to four. One is at Ahmedabad, GEO office, that is geographical indication, at Chennai. These are the pictorial view of our offices. This is our training center. This is our website. If you are not aware of IPR, please log on to this. You will come to know about the different kind of intellectual property rights. Again, we are keeping updates our program on Facebook and Twitter. Please join if you're interested. Let us see today's topic. What is intellectual property? You can carefully see my slides. I have shown something lightning or blooming in the mind. It means I want to convey that the product of mind is called intellectual property. Now the question arises, what is that product? For example, you are getting idea in your mind to write some novel. It's an intellectual property in the form of copyright. If you're getting idea to develop new design for computer or mobile, it's an intellectual property in the form of design. If you're developing new technology, like you are trying to give biodiesel as an alternative source for petrol and diesel, then it's again intellectual property in the form of patent. So any kind of property that arises from human mind is called intellectual property. I'll take another example to make you understand. In December 2019, we heard about the coronavirus. At that time, we are not having any vaccine for that. But scientists all over the world started to carry the research, and in the middle of 2020, they got Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. What is this again? It's an intellectual property in the form of vaccine. So, intellectual property in the form of machines. So, any kind of property that arises from human mind is called intellectual property. Let us see how that property arises. When you're discussing any topic with your professor in the classroom or in the laboratory or sitting alone or in a group of people trying to solve some problems or giving solution for that. Therefore, the property that arises from human mind is called intellectual property, or product of human creation is called intellectual property. For example, today we are sitting together discussing about the shampoos, different kind of shampoo. Somebody is using Vatika, somebody is using Sunslick, Dove, or any kind of shampoo. Are they really curing your dandruff? No. Simply some heroes and heroines are giving advertisement, are using for that. But really, if you want to solve problem, they are not curing dandruffs. If you are developing new formulation for shampoo or new composition of that herbal shampoo, then again, if you are able to show good results, then you are getting patent for that. That's an technology. You are writing you are writing new songs, again in the form of copyright. So the property that arises from the mind while sitting together alone or in group of people, that's an intellectual property. Let us see what is the background of intellectual property. Property means our mind directly goes to the tangible form of property and we say I'm having car, gold, plot, flat, so I'm rich enough. But there is another kind of intellectual property where we cannot touch, that is an intellectual property. In that, we are having industrial property and copyright, wherein industrial property includes patents, designs, trademark, and geographical indications. Now, how to define intellectual property? Intangible creations of whom? Human intellect having commercial value, asset like any other form of property. For example, you are getting some idea to develop some vaccine. Then if you are selling that vaccine or licensing to any other company, then you are getting money out of that. Therefore, it's an asset like any other form of property. By selling gold, flat, plot, how you are getting money? Same way, composition, if you are selling books, stories, again you can get money out of that. Therefore, it's an asset like any other form of property. IP is called as an exclusive right. You are filing patent, you are getting right, the right is with you, not your brother, sister can enjoy that. Therefore, it also called as a negative right. Again, IP is an territorial right. Means once you are filing any technology in India, it's valid only in the country of India. If you want to establish a right in other countries like USA, Japan, Germany, then definitely you're getting right there also. But how to file? There are two routes to file patent application in other countries. One is called PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty. Another is called conventional application as per section 135 of the Patent Act. Again, it's an licensable right. Means if you're developing new technology, machine, device, process, you can license to anyone whom you want, and you can get money out of that. What is patent? Exclusive, monopoly privilege are rights granted by the government to the patentee for 20 years from the date of filing or priority for commercial gain. When you are disclosing everything, then only you are getting the right in detail. So therefore, it's called as a patent because government is you right for 20 years, but you have to write all details about the explanation. Then only you are getting the rights. We are doing project in BSc, BPharm, MCom, any all the fields, but we don't know whether you are doing inventions or discoveries. Discovery means finding or experience something which already exists in nature, and discovery as such no technical effect. So invention means they should be new product or process. Like ATM machine is a product. Process of preparing medicine is a process. CT scan machine is a product. A system comprising so and so for making business is a product. Because system comprises software and hardware combination. So it's a product. Business system is a product. But only business method only in the form of algorithm, then it's a copyright. Again, this should be useful to all. It should be new, non-obvious, and should not be in the public knowledge. Then definitely we can get patent if they are qualifying the definition of invention. Earlier there was no ATM machine. We used to draw money in the by going the bank, but now ATM. It's an invention. It's in technology. Earlier there was no CT scan machine. Only X-ray was there, but somebody has invented CT scan machine, MRI. This is an invention. So something should be new in your project. Then definitely you're qualifying that. There are many business methods are there. Business systems are there. If it is you are filing new system, then definitely you are getting patent for that. Simple example, sharpener. Earlier there was no sharpener when I was student in my native place when I was studying first standard. Now our children since LKG they are using sharpener. It's a technology brought by CA Bhushan. So first time if you bring any technology that we produce process or product, you are getting patent, then that you are called as an inventor. Therefore, in the school, in the college, you have studied many things. That's who has invented radio, who has invented aeroplane, who has invented electric bulb, who has invented telephone. So all these are invented means first time they brought the technology and they got patent, so they are called as inventor for this. This telephone you have seen the old movies, 10 times we have to dial. Again, I cannot change from my cabin to my principal's cabin or my colleague's cabin. To overcome that, to overcome that, I'm I have got another option that this tell you. Wherein here I can dial 1 2 3 4, but again I cannot change from my cabin to my principal's cabin. It is connected at a particular point. To overcome that, we got cordless phone. We can take in the hall, kitchen, and drawing room, but we cannot take in the meeting, nor in the jail, nor in the car, nor in the plane. To overcome that, we got mobile phones in India in and around in the year 2000 or 2002. If you remember, simple Nokia mobile was there, heavy color, silver color, very heavy, and only incoming and outgoing were there. Now we are having video calling facility, Google Meet, Zoom Meet. What is this? Improvement of technology from AGBL to mobile phone. From this example, why I have taken this example? To make you understand, getting patent is not difficult in the government of India. If you are doing improvement in the product like telephone or process improvement, you can get patent for that. From this telephone also got patent, even mobile Nokia, Samsung, Apple also got the patent because they are improving the technology. They are solving some problem. I'll take another example to make you understand. You know paracetamol. If someone has fever, they say that. please take the paracetamol. But you know how much time it takes? 6 to 8 hours to reduce your fever. But somebody comes with improved formulation of paracetamol, then if that reduces your fever within 2 hours, then it is more activity. Definitely you can get patent for improved version of paracetamol. So I want to consider if you are physics, chemistry, biotech, macro, any field, then if you are making any change or improvement in your own field, any field, then definitely that improvement is patentable in India. Earlier there was no Bluetooth. Now you are having, you are transferring your data. Again, nano car was not there. Hyundai was there. Tata Motor, Maruti, but now came in between. Vaccines, sports. Many are the examples of inventions. Sports. Now we are using ATM for that. Smart card, credit card we are using for that. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called designs. Design means shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, or composition of lines or color combination thereof. I am in lecture, ma'am. Still, I'm in lecture. I'm in lecture, ma'am. Hello. Hmm. So, any comments? I have taken the example of iron box. You can check your iron box. The design is different. You can check this bottle design. This is an design. So both are different designs. You can check mouse design. You can check pen and pencil design. So anything which looks beautiful, that's an design. Plus design, brush design, car design, handle design, fan design, AC design, washing machine design. Mere functional or technical feature of the article are not considered design. Term is 10 years, can be extended for 5 years. So you people are being business people. You should know if you are working for some company like Bajaj. So what product is got trademark or not? Is the product is novel, got patent or not? It's got trademark or not? We have to check. So we should know what is the importance of this trademark and all. In this you see the designs of shoes, Adidas, Puma, Kolhapuri, different chappal, pen, textile, goods, corporate, tiffin box, toys, fans, all come from small industry. If you go to big scale industry, washing machine, refrigerator, television, computer, AC machine, wristwatch, mixture grinder, all these are different kind of uh, industries which products are being used and their designs are different. You can check if you are having Dell computer, different design, Samsung, different design. If you're having Sony TV, I'm having Samsung, both the design is different. I'm having Timex watch, you might having Titan watch, the design may be different. So check the designs. Even set of articles, very beautiful. Term is 10 years, you can get 5 years. Sanitizing machine design. If you go to pharma field, you can see ampoules, capsules,
Sir, voice not here.
Sir, please wait for a minute, sir.
Sir, unmute, sir. Bharat, sir, unmute, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Since how long it is unmuted? Since how long?
Sir, 1 minute.
1 minute before now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll again. Please don't means maybe somebody has done it. I have not done. I'll again share and start. Are you able to see my designs?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Any kind
See it,
of
sir.
design, textile design,
Textile and
Yes,
jewelry,
jewelry.
textile and jewelry.
all the designs you can see. Anything you can get. You have seen this slide?
Pharmaceutical
Yes, sir.
product.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Pharmaceutical product.
This you can see this design, this, even this. All the designs are different. So you also are able to develop any kind of design. You can get registered. Even in textile, jewelry, all the designs are getting registered in the government of India. Timex watch, Titan, you can check. Samsung TV, Sony TV, all the designs got registered. Even daily consumer products. Office bag, your college bag, different design. Wallet, you can check. Again, you can check this. All the designs are different. Even Aquafine, Aquaguard, Sunrich, all the designs are different for even water bottle also. See, when we are students, we used to go for the parties on birthdays and scoring more marks in the classroom. At that time, we used to use is poha, pakoda, or idli dosa. Only minimum amount of rupees. Now you people are going for McDonald's, taking Sprite, Coca-Cola, Mazda. But you never thought why Coca-Cola bottle is like that design, why Sprite is like that, why this is like that. Why? Because the innovative idea, you have never thought on that, because each company like Nokia, Samsung, mobile got registered same way. Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fruity has got their own designs for their bottle. No one can copy their designs. They have protected in the government of India. Even shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, or composition of lines. Even sharpener, but dual in nature, new design. Pencil, but peacock and parrot facing, new design. Biscuits of Parleys, Bon. But this is a biscuit of Tom and Jerry. Nowadays, the children are seeing Tom and Jerry videos on the TVs. They want Tom and Jerry toys. They want Tom and Jerry biscuits in future. So thinking that the marketing people are bringing such kind of designs for the biscuit also. So the way of marketing, you people are business. You know how to do business for your company if you're joining for any company. If you're joining for Hindustan Unilever, you should know whether their name is got trademark, whether their products got patent, whether their designs got it. It is your duty for whom you are working for that they are registered or not. If you're registering, means you are protecting your intellectuals in the government of India. You can see the designs of this. See dress designs. Even this design was developed by one of the student of National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. While doing your project for business method, business or any science fellow, you people go to the library, copy the senior thesis, mere change the data to get a degree. But he has not done like that. He went to the many construction site. He talked with the many coolies, and he discussed the problems by carrying out stones, bricks, sand directly on the head. They told they're having neurological disorder, back pain, disc pain. To solve that problem, to overcome that, they are given new design wherein the weight is not on the head, it is above the head. Most of the weight is on the shoulder. So there was a problem, they have tried to do the solution for that in the form of design. Another kind of intellectual property is semiconductor integrated circuit layout design. You are using Taiwan chip, China chips, many more, but you can have your own chips by registering this in the government of India. These are electronics fellows are knowing, physics fellows are knowing. These are fabricated from a complex series of layers of semiconductors, metals, and diodes. To get it registered, they should be original and capable of distinguishable. Then definitely you can get circuit should be registered in the government of India. Another kind of intellectual property called brand name or trademark, visual symbol, which may word, name, brand, numerical or combination of colors to indicate the source of the good, to distinguish from the goods of the, like Tata, Bata, PS, all these are different kind of. It advertises goods and services, protect the innocent public from buying the goods of second-rate quality. R with N-Circle is a registered trademark. TM means they have applied for the mark yet to get registered. You might have seen many products which are available in the market on medicine, telephone, books, glasswares. You can check R N-Circle. It means registered trademark. TM means they have applied for the mark yet to get permission from the government. Term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years. So it means 10 years or means you can renew it for like Tata, Bata, how long they're in the market. There are different type of trademarks, collective marks, certification marks, taglines, slogans, shapes. Google, Adidas, McDonald, Dil Mange More, Bureau of Indian Standards. All these are different kind of trademarks. Another kind of intellectual property called geographical indication. Place names used to identify source of origin, quality, reputation, or other characteristics like dazzling tea, Kanchipuram silk sari, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra petha, Nagpuraj. Term is 10 years, it can be renewed every 10 years subject to the usage. See, these are different kind of GIs. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called copyright. Copyrights is a bundle of rights, provides holder to right to restrict unauthorized copying and reproduction of an original expression, literary work, movie, music, painting, software. The term of protection is life of the author plus 60. If you are claiming business method in the form of software or algorithm itself, it comes to the copy. If you're claiming the business method with a system comprising so and so combination of hardware and software like ATM machine, definitely you're getting patent for that. For example, if you're writing books, novels, stories, poems, autography, you can get registered under the literary works. If you're doing artistic work under section 2C, you can get it work. Dramatic works under section 2H, musical works under section 2P, sound recordings under section 2XX, cinematography films under section 2H. So each kind of work is getting registered in the copyright. You might have heard Sham Sundar Roy, one movie in Hindi, Telugu, it also dubbed in Hindi also. There they have discussed copyright matter in detail. Again, you might have knowing Three Idiots movie. In that, again, they have discussed about the patents that hero Amir Khan is having 427 patents on his name. So it's in technology. Copyright is for the literary works. I've taken simple example to make you understand how we can protect single device with more than one IPR. You can check the symbol itself indicates that you are having Apple. Body of laptop design. Apple sign is an trademark. User manual is an copyright. Integrated circuit inside this is an design. So each work got protected. Therefore, the design of that, technology of markup that used by Dell computer or Samsung computer or Microsoft. Only it's an Apple only, so Apple can be protected. Again, you can check different mobiles, Nokia, Samsung, Reliance, Vivo, all these mobiles get registered in the government of India so that they never copy the technology of Nokia. What are the career opportunities for the students in the IPO? If you want to come as an officer in the government of India, as an exam patent, you should have a science background, MSc chemistry, biotech, microbiology, physics, or any branch of it. If you want to come as an exam of trademark and GI, exam of copyright, you should have a law graduate only. Then you are eligible for the post of examiner. If you want to work in patent agent, you should have a science graduate. Only interested person can become. The science graduate can become patent agent. There are two papers. One is objective, another descriptive. If you qualify YYOC, then you are getting patent agent number from the government of India. If you are having knowledge of IPR, you can work in the IPR policy, IPR cell of central government, IPR universities, NGOs are in IPR firms in big cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur. Many IPR firms you can join with the IPM firms to make your career. As I told you, you may be scientist, professor, or students. You are not inventor. You know, means somebody has done something new and the patent should be on their name. So if you want to be inventor, by simple approach you can. While doing your research or a project, identify some problem, solve that problem, you can get patent for that. For example, I'm thinking to give herbal medicine for cancer. We know cancer is there, lot of side effects for chemotherapy, allotherapy. So I'm trying to give solve by Ayurvedic means. Then if I'm bringing herbal medicine for cancer, then definitely any company who is in the production of herbal, they can take formula from me, they can pay the royalty to me, and they can get my formula. So you should have our own ideas to give solution for that. I'll quote another example. You know, mosquito catching bats. Everyone is using that. But you know, if knowingly, unknowingly, knowingly, only if you put on, it gives small shock to you and children. To avoid such incidents, I am trying to give digital mosquito catching device, wherein the hands of the human is recognized by fingerprints and it gives shock to the mosquitoes. So what is this? Digital one, because digital era, digital technology for giving. So you should solve any problem. Smart cane for the blind people. It's an technology brought invention. There are earlier smart kin were there. They can tell you are having stone ahead, obstacle ahead, but this digital can tell you you are having green signal, you can go. You are having red signal, wait. So this type of decision will come in the stick. So it helps in the blind people. So there are many inventions yet to be touched. So if you are doing solving any problem, that is a patentable subject matter in India. Now we learn different kind of intellectual properties. Now how to file patents in India and who can file. Any person, startup, MSME, individual, any company can file the patent application. There is no age bar limit nor educational limit for filing the patent application. How to file? As you are from South, directly go to the patent office Chennai and you can file, or you are having chance to file electronic filing since July 2007. You can sit in lab, home, and you can file online. There are different jurisdictions as the Chennai covers state of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, United States of Pondicherry, and Lakshadweep, newly formed state Telangana. So, depend upon your jurisdiction, you are supposed to file your technology. What are the minimum documents required for patent filing? Covering letter indicating the list of document in that form 1, wherein all the applicants details are supposed to fill. In that paragraph 12, as to signed by all the inventors who are helping to carry out the research. Again, if you are writing on piece of paper your idea, that is called provisional application, completes with the claims on form 2, then you have to give detail something. Form 3 for foreign filing days, you are filing foreign country and you are mentioning India. Form 2, provisional or complete application. What is provisional application? Today you are getting idea that you should produce herbal medicine. You are filing, but within 12 months you have to complete your medicine or process. Form 5 for adding your friend's name as an inventor, it required for that. Form 18, request for examination. Abstract, then drawings and check you have to give if you are having offline DDR check. If you want to pay online, you can pay the fees online. Fees for filing patent is 1,600 for natural person, 8,000 for the others. Design 1,000 rupees only. Copyright 500 per work, depend upon the work condition. So if we also increase per page per claim, keep in mind while filling the forms. Even you are having form 18 fees request for examination, 4,000 for natural person, 20,000 for the other, that is 10% addition to this. Form 9, request for early publication. If you want to, you have to pay the fees 2,500 for early and 12,500 for the others. Again, you are having chance to file expedite examination as per Rule 24B, wherein you can get patent within 1 year only. That is expedite examination. For this, Form 18A is required, wherein those who are filing PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty application, in that if you are choosing India as an international searching authority, then our applicant is an startup or as per 2000 rule, one of the applicant will ladies or government organization can request for this. Fees is 8,000 for individual, 60,000 for the others. There are some timelines when you have to file provisional to complete within 12 months. Request for examination within 48 months. Reply to APR you have to go within 6 months or you can take extra 3 months. Again, Form 5 within month. Withdrawal if you want to withdraw application within 15 months. Pre-grant opposition before the grant anyone. Post-grant 1 year from the date of publication. You can check our website wherein will come to know about patents, designs, trademark and GI. Again, institute. Again, copyright also. This is copyright. So if you want to click here, you can go whether technology is all in the public domain or not for search. If you want to file online, click here, then patent, design, copyright, all will come. You have to select your own field, then press it over and proceed further. And if you want to know whether the early technology is there, and you can go to the public search. If you want to file copyright, go here. So these are the online filing platform for the different kind of intellectual property rights. Now, how we are granting patents in India? Once you are filing the patent application in India, it's go for digitization, screening, classification by using international patent class system. If you are having early publication, proceed further. Otherwise, 18 publication will not be. Request for examination within 48 months by the any person who has filed the patent. Then it's go for the allotment to the examine control. They examine the case, they give the report to the control. Control again examine the case. If you add, delete, modify the option, sent to the FEIL, any applicant or applicant agent. They give reply within 6 months or before that, and we have to grant or refuse depend upon the conditions. Once ground came, then we give all the ground opponent to the applicant. If they are able to solve, we are granting. If they are able to fail solve the problem someone else, that will be rejected. If you are granting or rejecting, we give the speaking order so that you can appeal in the higher courts. Now, for example, if you are developing design, then how to file, who can file? Section 5, 44, Rule 11. Any person can file, natural or other than that. Natural person fees is 1000 rupees, small entity 1000, startup 1000, other than that 4000 rupees for filing. In that, Form 1 should be filled, Form 2 should be filled, the applicant name, legal status, address for service, prior date, class number, which class you are in, signature and name. There are two sets we have to prepare. For of attorney we have to give, prior document we have to give, assignment should be given, Form 24 should be. There are 32 classes of the designs, 237 subclasses. So we will classify the design. We don't give directly. So depend upon that, we decide whether we have to keep or we have to keep away. If the designs, like if design is okay, then you can file with this by telling the classes. For example, briefcase. Briefcase and travel good, class 3. If you're developing games, class 21. Arms, class 20. So which class it is you have to fill that and you have to submit the application. And you have to write how your design is new. Like my teapot, your college name you have to put Commerce College so and so. Total number of seats, 8, front view, back view, side view, all the views you have to put. Then seat number you have to put. And you have to tell how your design is new. My novelty resides in shape and configuration of the teapot. So I'm directly telling so that they will stop my name entering the first. Again, see, these are the not good views, bad quality, not clear. What is the role of patent system? Encouragement or improvement of technology. पहले X-ray था, now we got CT scan machine, improvement over that. Providing reward as an exclusive rate for discovery. If you are giving something design, patent, technology, or bringing, the government is giving you reward, that is patent reward. Making profit or earning royalty through putting the practice. Always, if you are getting patent, please put in the practice. Earn from that, then only you are having value for that. Transferring into public property after action 20 साल के बाद वो public में जाएगा और in between you are seizing this, then definitely seized, anyone can use your patent application. What to do now? Share the benefit of patent system in school, colleges, university. Utilize the resource through organized R&D activities. Capture the global market judicially. Earn the profit through property market. Like Samsung, Sony, both are TVs in the market. Everyone is purchasing because they got patent, design, trademark for that. Same way, if you are having any technology, any design with you, any books with you, go for the copyright, depend upon design, and get it protection in the government of India. Therefore, you'll get money out of that by selling in the market. By saying this, I'll put a full stop to my talk.